That's a common theme all day today is strong hips, and then we're going to turn those shoulders. Give yourself the mechanics to protect those shoulders. All right, we just got a little bit of body rocking, but for the swimmers, we really want to concentrate on hollow body rocking. Suck in that belly button, keep that water careening off that elongated spine, off that low back. You really want to feel if that low back is caving in. It will happen the farther that those feet go out, but what we really want to allow the athlete to do is to feel that and then give them the mechanisms to correct that. Develop the musculature that pulls the body out of an excessive lordotic curve. All right, within the rock, we've got our 3 exercises that we're rolling through. Very first one, we've got good old-fashioned vertical pulls from a wide grip. So really challenge that medial to lateral rotation of the shoulder blades, tall, pretty posture, and allow those things to roll and open up. So whether they spin towards the spine or whether they spin away from the spine, perfect position, and then challenge your ability to maintain that. Our second one, we've got a sport cord wrapped up top. We're just going to hold a nice, tall, pretty posture. We're going to challenge it with a little bit of rotation. So we're actually trying to incorporate anti-flexion, so stay vertical, while we draw that down into the opposite hip. So we're going to concentrate on pulling the right shoulder blade to the right and pulling that around while maintaining good glass water on the tip top of the head. Left shoulder blade back into the left, again, while maintaining a tall, pretty posture. Last piece of the puzzle. We've got our landmines connected. We've got a big old barbell. From this position, we're going our scabbard cleans just off of that landmine. So from here, we're rolling the hips on the x-axis, cross-handed. From this position, we want to go ahead and draw it to the shoulder and feel those shoulders rotate towards the mirror. Press it back up and then reverse it, bringing it back down. Alternating sides for about 90 seconds. Very good. Now it's very important, we're going to set those feet about shoe length apart on these dumbbell push-up to reaches, because we're going to go into our next progression, which is your Captain Morgan's out of there. So with the feet about shoe length apart, do a good elongated spine push-up. Now take this gentle. We're going to go ahead and row that and roll to the sides of your feet for me, Brooke. Hold right there. Now bring a knee into your chest. Put it down. Do the other knee in your chest. Put it down and recover. Fantastic job. Play around on the other side. We're challenging your reach by rotating the hips. So try to spin your chest back down to the floor and keep reaching with that. Very good. So our standard prone swimmer's crunch, belly down, suck your belly button in. We're going to challenge this right reach by laterally flexing that line. Now we're going to challenge the left reach by rotating the hips over top. So as this scorpion kick comes up and over and it forces a nice little stretch out of that hip flexor, it's going to pull this initial reach into a shortened line. So we want to encourage you to reach as far as you possibly can. Very good. Hold that line. Big reach, 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 reach. Very good. Now try to... So maintain that position in your posture, in your spine, and just push your butt back. Don't even worry about going all the way down. Right there. Very good. Atta girl. So a good old-fashioned wide squat position, the same exact mentality as a yoga's warrior pose. We're going to get that sucker up over your head and into an elongated spine, slowly rotating the shoulders, but focusing in on some force closure in the hips. So maintain internally rotated femur, close those hips off. We want to challenge your ability to do so by slowly rotating your shoulders to the right or the left. Now as you go tall, pretty posture on that, Brooke, pull your rib cage down and in. Don't let your rib cage float up. So from this position, beautiful, very good, press up. Now pull your rib cage down and in, keep that midsection super tight. Very good, hold that line, twist, 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 and recovery. Great rep.